The rugged middleweight adventure bike market is currently experiencing a resurgence, and 2025 looks to see it grow again with the arrival of the Benelli TRK 902 Xplorer. Alongside established models such as the KTM 890 Adventure R, Husqvarna Norden 901, Yamaha Tenere 700, BMW F900Gs, and Suzuki V-Strom 800 to there are new budget-conscious Chinese-built arrivals. Despite its historic Italian name, the Xplorer is built in China by Benelli's parent company, Qianjiang Group, also known as QJ Motor. One of China's largest two-wheeled manufacturers, Qianjiang produce over 1.2 million vehicles a year. However, only the production is done in China. The Benelli Style Center and R&D facility is still based in Pesaro, Italy, to help give the bikes a welcome dose of European flair and feel. Featuring a new version of Benelli's parallel twin motor, the TRK 902 Xplorer makes a claimed 98.6 brake horsepower with 66.4 pound-feet of torque. Although technical details remain limited on the engine, it runs the same C4 valve head design as the old 800 models, but with an increase in both bore and stroke, taking it up from 754 cc to 904 cc. To match this boost in capacity, the throttle bodies are 3 mm larger at 46 mm, and it meets Euro 5 emissions regulation. Billed as a go-anywhere adventurer by Benelli, the TRK 902 Xplorer is the most rugged TRK model to date and comes with a tough tubular steel trellis chassis with fully adjustable 50 mm inverted forks and a monoshock with adjustable rebound and spring preload. Both ends have 200 mm of suspension travel, giving the bike 230 mm of ground clearance. Unlike some other trail-targeted adventurers, the Xplorer runs tubeless spoke wheels with a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear, rather than the more aggressive 21-inch front and 18-inch rear setup. Pirelli's Scorpion Rally tires are standard fitment, and the twin 320 mm discs are gripped by Brembo 4-piston monoblock calipers, with an ABS system that has a dedicated off-road mode. There is no mention of a traction control system or variable power modes, but they are likely to be fitted as it runs a ride-by-wire throttle. Benelli claim a dry weight of 235 kilograms, with a seat height of 865 millimeters. When it comes to practicality, the Xplorer features a 7-inch TFT color dash with connectivity and a navigation function. 2 fog lights integrated into its design, tire pressure monitors, a 22-liter fuel capacity, and even an electronically adjustable screen. But the prototype has no pillion provisions. Benelli scrapped the pillion seat and pegs for the unveiling of the Xplorer, instead replacing them with a handy toolbox. Whether this is standard fitment or an accessory is unclear, but don't worry. There will be pillion pegs and a seat on the final production bike. The UK importer for Benelli's products is Modig, and the firm expects the Xplorer to arrive in the UK in late 2025. There is no word on price, but it should be less than £10,000, considering how much its Chinese-built rivals cost.